All right, so here it is, the last day in the house here in Port St. Lucie. Taking one last walk through, a couple of memories. So tomorrow I go down, sign the paperwork, house will be sold. Saturday we have an appointment for the dog with the Department of Agriculture. We're gonna head up to Kentucky for a few days, see my family. Then on the 29th, Milena flies out to Bogota. And on the 31st, Nash and I, we will be flying out to Bogota. We have a month of meetings. I have to meet with the National Police, the military, immigration, a whole bunch of people for some reason, not sure why. But by September 1st, we should be down in Puerto Colombia. That's where our new house is. So I'll be posting some more videos as I go along, and just wanted to say hello to everybody. Sorry it's been a while since I posted anything, and hope everybody's doing okay. Those of you who have been to the house know that we've had some good times here. It's kind of an echo, not much going on. House is all cleaned out. Had the cleaning ladies in earlier, and time for a new chapter in life. So, to everybody out there, you guys stay safe, be good. And if I haven't told you lately that I love you and I appreciate all my friends and all my family, I do. You guys, it's time for a new adventure. You guys have a good night. Alright, so here we are. Today's August the 31st. There's my little partner in crime. We're at the Regency Hotel in Miami, about 3 miles from the airport. Getting ready to head over there, turn in a rental vehicle, and be on our way to Colombia. So, 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, 4. Alright, so we're gonna get everything loaded up, go over and drop off the car, and we'll see you at the airport. Y'all have a good day. Well, here we are at the airport trying to check in, and Nash has been making a lot of friends today. But okay, so for any of you who are going to travel with a large dog, and when I say large dog, I mean anything over 22 pounds. They're going to make you put it in a crate and put it inside the airplane. The problem is that if the dog and the crate weigh more than 99 pounds, it is considered overweight, and they make you fly it in a freight airline, which is different than a passenger airline. So take that into account if you decide to ever fly with a large dog. And for those of you who know Nash, know he is nowhere near 22 pounds. They weighed him a while ago and he's 73. We had to take his watering bowl out, part of his bedding, and everything else to get him down to 99 pounds. So between him and the crate, it's literally 99 pounds. But he's on the airplane and everything should be good. They're loading him up right now. See if I can switch the camera around. Yep. They just loaded him up in the airplane right there. Ironically enough, I'm sitting right back there, so I'm not too far from over his head. So okay, it is now 5 o'clock and we are finally boarding the plane. We've been here since 12. So, like I said, those of you traveling with dogs, especially large dogs, give yourself a few extra hours. The amount of paperwork that we went through and everything else. And you have to have everything done within a 10-day period. Supposedly, Nash is in the underbelly of the airplane. Everything's fine. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully everything's alright. But, I'm going to sign off here. Getting ready to roll back. I'll holler at y'all later. Bye. landed in Bogota. So let the fun begin. See how long it takes in immigration. I think it's 7:15 right now. Alright, so we are in the apartment now. Milena and her family showed up to get me, her nieces and nephews. I was very, very surprised having the dog. I got through customs today in 15 minutes. All the times I have traveled to Colombia, I have never, ever in my life made it through customs in 15 minutes. They saw the dog, everybody started playing with the dog, so it was a very, very, very good trip. Nash unfortunately spent about 5.5 hours in his little cage, but got him out, let him use the bathroom, he's good to go. Tomorrow we have to go do some paperwork at the bank, and then next week I'm set up to meet with the Minister of Defense and the Minister of hell if I know. I don't even know who all I'm meeting with. But anyway, things have been good so far. I will post this now, and I will see you guys in the morning, and I'll get some pictures around here in Bogota. Y'all have a good night.